I'm at the beach, my friends. Ooh, life's good. Ano ba? Ano ba? Ayan na lang. Beautiful Sunday morning and the weather is good. The sun is out and we can go to the beach. Let's go to the beach, let's go get away. I didn't grow up here, but I am a frequent visitor, so I think I'm somehow familiar of the place or the road or the way or the route going to the beach. From the highway, I biked around a kilometer before I reached the beach, but the road is not in good condition, as you can see. In my previous video entitled Seaports, I mentioned about roads as one of transportation modes. I will put the link in the description box below if you're interested to watch. Going back to the topic, having better roads will allow us to travel faster, and having a good network of roads or highways will allow us to travel farther. As of now, our country has a good number or good network of roads and highways, but still there are places that are not yet well developed, and so are the roads. Well, for the civil engineering profession, this means more opportunities and more projects to work on to help improve lives. I mean, just imagine if there's no road at all at this point in time. Alright, enough of this mini lecture. I do not intend to sound very serious in this video, but I just want to talk also about civil engineering as much as I want to show you the beach, so here it is. Woo, beach! Hunas, dako. Dako o hunas. Layo ng dagat. So basically, pag high tide, itong part na to, may water na to. Ayan. So, tayo dito, pupunta yan dito, doon, hanggang tataas yung water. Ganyan. So, ngayon, sobrang baba ng dagat. Sobrang layo ng dagat. And ngayon, we're able to walk on this area. But, lato! Ano siya ha, bat? Oh, lato. Oh, dukot. Building a tent. Kalame! Buko pandan in the making. Naman itong soft drinks.
Shout out kay JJ, Junior TV. Shout out kay Best Mamon. Shout out kay ka-birthday Carlwin. Shout out kay Saldes. Shout out kay Tonton. And sino ba hindi ko na shout out? Hindi ko na alam. Kung gusto niyo ako shout out, sabihin, mag-comment lang kayo or message lang kayo sa akin. Alright, bye!